When you are born, the first thing you hear is the Adhan.
Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, La ilaha illallah.
And when you die, the funeral prayer is made for you. You enter this world with Adhan and exit with Salah, as if all of life is between Adhan and Salah. For those who do not pray,
you know that Allah Azza wa Jal is calling you to His house every single day, 5 times a day. The caller starts and shouts, Do you have any connection with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala? Do you have any sila with Allah? Do you pray the 5 daily prayers to Allah Azza wa Jal?
for those who neglect their prayers,
Just 2 rak'ahs. 2 rak'ahs. They're not even an obligatory prayer. 2 rak'ahs that you don't even pay attention to. It's just an extra 2 rak'ahs. He says if this person had added them to his good deeds, it would be better for him than this whole world.
for those who do not pray,
ما سلككم في سقر? What made you go into saqar?
ما سلككم في سقر.
The first reason why they were casted into the hellfire, they will say,
قالوا لم نك من المصلين.
لم نكن من المصلين. We were not among those who prayed. But what is saqar?
وما أدراك ما سقر.
And what would make you know what saqar is? What this hellfire with this name is? Allah Azza wa Jal says,
لا تبقي ولا تذر.
it will not leave any sinner and it will not leave anything unburnt.
why don't you pray?